the money which Jigsaw has given us keeps us going. Hi, my name's Brian Horsfall, and I'm Treasurer of the Audenshaw Community Association. Last year we had funding of £1,000 from Jigsaw Foundation. What the money does is help us to keep going, and it keeps our bank balance healthy. The Community Association, we've got various activities going. We have a coffee morning every Tuesday morning. This is when the world is going, of course, not locked down. And Thursday we have a walking group. We have games nights, table tennis nights, and throughout the year we have various activities such as kids' Halloween party, kids' Christmas party. We also have an allotment where we grow flowers. And this money helps us with all our endeavours and events. While we primarily represent Stanhope Estate, which is where we're based, 38 Rowcombe Close, there's Stanhope Estate, there's St Anne's Estate and Hobson Crescent. But nevertheless, everybody is welcome to come into the hub. It's all free. We do ask for, if you want, you can put donations in for the tea and the coffee, but the money which Jigsaw has given us keeps us going.